respected principals, teachers, and my dear friends.
A very warm welcome to everyone gathered here for today's special assembly on the occasion of International Yoga Day.
Yoga is the harmony of body, mind, and soul. It is a timeless gift from India which has inspired millions around the world to live healthier, happier, and more balanced lives.
Today we celebrate not just a practice but a way of life that promotes physical fitness, mental peace, emotional stability, and spiritual growth.
Let us begin this special assembly by singing the blessing of Almighty to our school day represented by the school chorus.
Om Namo Ayanam, Om Namo Siddhanam, Om Namo Ayanam, Om Namo Vachayanam, Namo Name Sasagunam, Eso Panchana Mukaro, Sarva Pavanashram, Mangalanam Che Sarvesi, Paramanghalai Mangalam, Namo 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 Namo, Namo 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 Namo, Namo 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 Namo, Namo 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 Namo, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara, Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for your group for the closing prayer.
Now I invite Manasa to present the song for the day along with its meaning.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anissa of class 9 here to deliver a thought. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Meaning, this thought teaches us that yoga is not just a physical exercise. It is a journey of self-discovery that helps us understand ourselves better, self-discipline, improve concentration, and achieve harmony between body, mind, and soul. Through yoga, we learn to become healthier and more confident individuals. Thank you. Thank you, Madam, for an inspiring thought.
Yoga is a form of exercise. It is a way of life that nurtures physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being.
To enlighten us about the importance of yoga and the significance of the International Yoga Day, I invite Kirtana to deliver her speech. Respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends, good morning to everyone. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June across the world. The United Nations declared this day in 2014 following India's proposal, recognizing yoga as a valuable gift from India to humanity. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite. Yoga brings harmony between the body, mind, and spirit. In today's busy world, people often experience stress, anxiety, and health issues. Yoga offers a natural solution for improving physical fitness, mental clarity, emotional balance, and inner peace. For students, yoga is especially beneficial. It improves concentration, memory, confidence, flexibility, and overall well-being. It also helps us develop discipline, patience, and a positive attitude towards life. This year's theme, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, reminds us that our personal well-being and the health of our planet are deeply connected. A healthy individual contributes to a healthy society and a healthier world. International Yoga Day reminds us that good health is the foundation of success and happiness. Let us make yoga a part of our daily routine and take a step towards a healthier future. Thank you and happy International Yoga Day to everyone. A pledge strengthens our commitment to healthy living. I now invite Icha Mandari to lead us in the yoga pledge. to practice yoga regularly and adopt a healthy lifestyle. I will pray for my physical, mental and emotional well-being. I will encourage my family and friends to practice yoga. I will respect nature and promote peace, harmony and wellness. I shall strive to make yoga a part of my daily life. Thank you.
Thank you, Richa.
A true essence of yoga lies in its regular practice. Through different asanas, we develop strength, flexibility, balance, and inner peace.
We shall now witness a demonstration of some important yogasanas. As the students perform each posture, Srisha and Anusha will explain its significance and benefits.
The first asana is Tadasana, also known as the mountain pose. Tadasana improves posture, balance, and body alignment. It strengthens the legs and spine that enhances concentration and confidence. The next asana. Trikonasana improves flexibility, strength muscles, enhances digestion, and helps maintain proper body posture. The next posture is Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra pose. Bhujangasana strengthens the spine, opens the chest, improves breathing capacity, and helps relieve stress and fatigue. The final posture is Vajrasana, also known as the Thunderbolt pose. Vajrasana improves digestion, calms the mind, enhances concentration, and prepares the body for meditation. This simple and powerful yoga asanas contribute to physical fitness, mental well-being, and a healthy lifestyle. Regular practice of yoga helps us remain healthy, energetic, disciplined, and focused in our daily life. Thank you. Thank you, teacher, for the excellent demonstration.
One of the most popular and complete yogic practices is Surya Namaskara, also known as the sun salutation.
We shall now witness the demonstration of Surya Namaskar. As the students perform the sequence, Deepti Meena will explain its importance and benefits. Join your hands. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya vihitam moham tattvam pujanna pavruno satya dharmaya tritaye.
asana hastottanasana padahastasana ashwasanchalanasana surya namaskara dandasana ashtanga namaskara bhujangasana parvatasana ashwasanchalanasana padahastasana hastottanasana namaskarasana. Thank you.
Surya Namaskar also known as exercise the sequence of Surya Yoga poses performed in a sitting floor. Surya Namaskar is often called a complete body are essential qualities for students. It energizes the body, refreshes the mind, and prepares us to face the challenges of the day with confidence and positivity. Just a few rounds of Surya Namaskar every day can greatly improve our physical, mental, and emotional health. Thank you.
त्रिसङ्काशगौरं गभीरम् मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाश्रीशरीरम् स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसद्भालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा चलत्कुण्डलं भ्रूसुनेत्रं विशालम् प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालम्
Principal, madam, teachers, and dear friends, on behalf of everyone present here, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all who contributed to making today's International Yoga Day celebration meaningful and successful. I extend my gratitude to our teachers for their guidance, support, and efforts in organizing this wonderful assembly. A special thanks to the choir group for the prayer, Manasa for the thought for the day, Kirtana for the informative speech, Ichavandari for leading the yoga pledge, Srisha for the yogasana demonstration, and Deepika for explaining the importance of Surya Namaskara. I also thank all the students for their enthusiastic participation and cooperation. Let us remember that yoga is not just an activity for one day, but a lifelong practice that promotes health, happiness, harmony, and well-being. Thank you.
Thank you for your great work of time.
As we conclude